Hello? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a linear chatbot. We will also see how automation helps in managing customer interaction more efficiently. Now, let's see how to create a linear chatbot using Tricon's WhatsApp marketing and automation platform. Start by heading over to the Tricon dashboard. Once you're there, click on the Automation menu. From the drop-down, select Linear Chatbot. Now you'll find yourself on the Linear Chatbot page. Here, you'll see a list of your existing bots along with the keywords that trigger them. Here, you can see a summary of all the chatbots you've created along with the overall analytics. You can also view the total number of linear chatbot flows created and manage them from this screen. While creating a chatbot, we have 3 action types. Quick reply, used to send instant text responses to users. Template flow, used to send structured template messages with multiple steps. Message flow, used to create a step-by-step conversational flow. Simply click the Add Linear Chatbot button to start setting up a new automated response sequence. Let's start by creating a chatbot using a quick reply. Enter the trigger keyword, which could be something like hi, hello, or namaste based on what suits your needs. Next, select the action type, which is quick reply, since we're building a chatbot that utilizes quick replies, and then enter the configuration details. Finally, click on create, and that's it. Your bot has been created. Now let's create another chatbot using a template flow. You'll need to enter the triggered keyword you're planning to use. Make sure to select the action type as template flow, as that's what we're working with. Next, you should enter the bot's name. You'll see an option to choose a main template. This main template will be shown to the user when they send a hi. You'll have the chance to preview the selected template. In the template I've chosen, there are 3 options: view course, fees details, and contact us. If a user clicks on view course, it triggers a separate flow for that option. Similarly, if they click on fees details or contact us, there are separate flows for each. Let's focus on the view course option and create a step for that. We'll add a step by entering the keyword view course and selecting a corresponding template. This is the template I've chosen for our view course option. Within this template, we also have 2 buttons. For each button, we'll need to create a separate flow based on our requirements. Finally, you can add more steps as needed and simply click on Create to complete the process. Let's begin by creating a chatbot using a message flow. First, you'll need to enter the trigger keywords. Choose the action type as message flow since we're setting up a message flow. Go ahead and enter the name for your bot. Add a message flow to the chatbot. Let's proceed to create one. When a user sends namaste, this specific message flow will activate, sending a response to the user. Let's also add another message. You can customize the messages here according to your needs. And once you're satisfied, click on Create. To test the chatbot you've created, simply click Test Bot option. This allows you to experiment with the bot you've created. In the test chat, start by typing in the keyword Namaste. This should trigger the initial message according to the flow you designed. Once the conversation ends, you'll see how the bot performs. And there you have it. That's how you can create and test linear chatbots using Tricon's WhatsApp marketing and automation platform. For those seeking more sophisticated automation, we offer an advanced bot feature. Feel free to reach out or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.